And on today's episode of Amsoil, I need to sell some so my retirement fund will look better. We're going to use some of this Amsoil power foam. We're going to spray it right into our intake right here. And there's going to be a lot of editing maybe with this video. I'm not usually an editor, so we're going to do pausing and see if I can just make it work like that. But this is power foam. It actually works a lot like sea foam. Anybody that's ever done the sea foam spray, you spray it in the intake, keep the bike running while you do it, let it run through, and then basically what you'll do is either bog the bike down with the spray or turn the bike off with the spray in it. We'll let it sit for about 15-20 minutes. We'll start it up and probably be a lot of smoke, and it should clean out the intake and things like that. So let's give it a shot. And with the magic of camera and the pause button, we've already taken the cover off, and this is what we're looking like with our butterflies there. See what they look like. Not so bad. You're welcome. That was my finger. All right. So let's pause this again and see if we can't start this process. So we're all cranked up. Hadn't sprayed any yet. So we'll go ahead and do that. And this could get iffy. Running, holding the camera, spraying a can. You can kind of tell it's trying to die. So I'll probably have to rev it up and spray it at the same time without y'all with me. We've sprayed some. We haven't actually let it sit yet, but you can see a lot of smoke here and there. Got some smoke coming out still. So, I guess what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go ahead and spray it, bog it down, and let it sit for about 20 or 30 minutes. So we filled it up pretty good. So now we're just going to play the waiting game. I probably used about a half a can of that stuff. So hopefully it cranks when we're all done, huh? Alright guys, so it's coming up on about, I don't know, 15 minutes, pretty close. So before I put the air filter back on, we'll just take a look and see how clean this stuff looks. And it actually does look pretty, a little bit cleaner. Didn't do anything with it with a brush or anything, that's just straight shot. So let me put it back together and let's crank it up and watch all the smoke. If it'll crank. I hope it'll crank. Alright, so we're all back together. Got the cover on. Actually brought another victim over here that I'm going to do in just a little while. One more victim. See what he'll do with that. But where we are with this one is where it's starting. We're going to see if it starts. I hadn't started it yet. It's been a good 15 minutes. Feels like 15 minutes. I'm guessing it's 15 minutes. Full disclosure, I've turned it off and on about 3 times just to prime the pump real good. So we're going to see what happens, people. This is the part where you start to get a little nervous. Are you nervous yet? Hopefully I don't have to jump anything off. That'd be terrible. Alright, you wanted to come that time. Come on, buddy. Oh, yeah. There we go. We made it. Let's put some out. Let's see what we lose. Thankfully it cranked. We'll see in the coming days exactly what we think of it. One thing's for sure, a little bit of everything out of it to go along with the smoke. That side not so much. But he's gonna smoke a while. So that's that. So now is when you help my retirement fund and go to www.MEtricoil.com. I think that's a great website. I think I did very well with the name MEtricoil.com. Now what I'm going to do, next tank of gas we get in the quick shot. We're going to try that in there. Now, my little spill on Amsoil. I've had very good luck with Amsoil in my lifetime. I got a truck that's got about 250,000 miles on it. I used to drive about 100 miles a day to and from work. Pretty good stuff. I'm one of the people back in the 90s and early 2000s, there was a product called Duralube. Tried Duralube. I like to try everything. Slick 50, Duralube, you name it, I tried it. Most of that stuff's not around anymore. Probably didn't work. The internet pretty much killed a lot of the snake oil business. If you do some searching, you'll see that most people who use Amsoil, they actually like it, and they actually think it makes a difference. A lot of tests have been done with Amsoil oil as well, and they've had good results. You can look on YouTube, you'll see many a test, even by just independent people. They've got oil that'll go 25,000 miles for your automotive needs. Motorcycle oil, of course, you can extend that as well for double the manufacturer's recommendation. But look around and help me at the same time. But I'm going to let y'all go. Thank you for watching. www.MEtricoil.com. Bye-bye.